Dear students, previously we have talked about various PLDs, programmable array logic devices. In that we have studied ROM and its type. We have seen a programmable logic array. Now in today's class we will discuss about PAL, that is programmable array logic. You can see the block diagram of PAL device. PAL is a programmable logic device that has programmable AND array and fixed OR array. The advantage of PAL is that we can generate only the required product terms of Boolean function instead of generating all the min terms by using programmable AND gates. In the block diagram it is clear that we are using here programmable AND array but only fixed OR array. OR array is not programmable. The inputs of AND gates are programmable. That means each AND gate has both normal and complemented inputs or variables. So based on the requirement, we can program any of those inputs. So we can generate only the required product terms. We need not generate all the min terms. It is not required at all. So we will generate only the required product terms used in the Boolean function. Here the inputs of OR gates are not of programmable type, so the number of inputs to each OR gate will be of fixed type. Therefore apply those required product terms to each OR gate as input. Therefore the output of the PAL is in SOP form, sum of product form. Let us see an example. We will be taking example of the two Boolean functions a and b, where a is xy plus xz dash and b is xy dash plus yz dash. Now here only the programmable AND array is there. So see, we have x, y, z input and xz, yz and zz, z dash input, x dash, y dash and z dash, which are the complements of x, y and z. So let us see the implemented circuit. See, for the output A, we have xy plus xz dash. So for A output we can see here what should be the A output. So xy is this. See, x and y are masked, so we need xy, so we will make here a dot. Then second term is xz dash. Xz dash is here, masking is done at x and z complement. So this is xz dash. So we require masking of this row and column. So our A Boolean function is obtained. Now for B, function B, this is our function B output. So it is comprised of xy dash plus yz dash. So xy dash here, x and y dash. Then next is yz dash. So here it is y and z dash. So we will do masking here. Here we have put a dot sign. Why? Because we cannot program these. These will be the fixed variables. fixed array values. We cannot change it. So we have put a dot here. So in this way we will be getting our Boolean functions through PAL. You can see in the diagram the programmable array have the AND gates array have the access of both normal and complemented input variables, that is x, x dash, y, z, y dash and z, z dash. These are available at the input parts of the each AND gate. So program only the required literals in order to generate the product term by each AND gate. The symbol cross is used for programmable and symbol dot is used for fixed value. Here the input of OR gates are of fixed type, so necessary product terms are connected to the input of each OR gate, so that OR gate produces the respective Boolean function. The dot symbol is used for the fixed connections. So in this way you can implement various Boolean functions through programmable array logic. So implement any four logic functions through this PAL circuit. Answer in the group.